Hello everyone, welcome to Vyas Edification. Now we are going to discuss class 11th, chapter number 7, System of Particle and Rotational Motion, and in this session we will try to solve and exercise question solutions related to chapter number 7. Clear? So in this session you will find detailed solution of each and every question, as well as you will find theory behind that question also. Clear? It means here we will try to understand each and every concept very deeply. Clear? So now we are going to start, so concentrate on a screen. Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 7.1, and in this question it is given to you, give the location of center of mass of a sphere, cylinder, ring, cube, each of having uniformly mass density. First of all, let us try to understand what is center of mass. We can say center of mass is a point where we can assume that whole mass of that body is concentrated. Clear? So now here we have to find, we have to find what is the position of a center of mass for a given objects. Clear? So first, if I talk about sphere, so for sphere I can say, let's suppose I am saying this is a let's suppose I am assuming this is a sphere. Clear? So for this sphere we find center of mass at its geometrical center. Clear? So here we find center of mass at its geometrical center. Clear? So for sphere you can say we will find CM, that is center of mass at geometrical center. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now if I talk about cylinder, clear? So if I talk about cylinder, yes. Now if I talk about cylinder, so for cylinder I can say, let's suppose I am saying this is cylinder. Clear? Now you know very well this is axis of this cylinder. Clear? So for cylinder, its center of mass you will find at the center that lies on a axis of the cylinder. Clear? So we can say this is position of center of mass of a cylinder. Clear? So for part number 2 you can say on an axis at center of cylinder. Clear to you? Now if we talk about center of mass of a ring, clear? So if we are talking about center of mass of a ring, so let's suppose I am assuming this is a ring. Clear? So now we know this is a ring, and for this ring we have center of mass at its center. Clear? So I can say center of mass I will find at the center of this ring. Clear? Now if I talking about cube, so for cube where we find center of mass. Clear? So let's suppose if I am drawing here a cube, let's suppose this one is a cube. Let's suppose this is a cube. Now we know center of mass lies at this point. This is center of mass, I can say. Clear? And now we can say we find position of a center of mass at the intersection of diagonals of this cube. Clear? So I can say here position of CM we will find intersection of diagonal of cubes. Clear? So we can say if you draw here, yes. So if you draw here cubes, you can say like this. Clear? This one and so on. Clear everyone? So like this we can say at the intersecting point we are getting center of mass of this cube. Clear? Okay. One more question is given to you. Does the center of mass of a body necessarily lie inside body? No. It is not a necessary condition that the center of mass always lie within an object. No. Now you can take here one example. Let's suppose if we are talking about a ring. Clear? So for ring we are getting center of mass at its center. Clear? And now we can say this center of mass, it lies outside object. Clear? So now we can see center of mass, it may be lie outside of an object. Clear? So this is all about this question. Clear?